Now it is exercise 1.2, question number 1. Solution. Here it is being asked that f is a function from r star to r star defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x is 1 1 and on to, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. And here in second part he is asking to check this result when domain is replaced by natural number. Okay, so we will do this. So given f is a function from r star to r star, where r star is real number except 0, excluding 0. Okay, and this function is defined as f of x is equal to 1 by x. Now 1 by x is not defined at x is equal to 0 because division by 0 is not permitted. So therefore he has taken domain as set of real number excluding 0. Now to show f is 1-to-1 function. So let f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 and x2 are in r star domain, which implies 1 over x1 is equal to 1 over x2, which implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, if images are same, that is f of x1 equal to f of x2, then their pre-images are also same. Their pre-images are also same for all x1, x2 in R star, that is domain. Therefore, you can say f is 1-1 function, that is 1-to-1 function. Now we will show this function onto. Okay, so we will take one element in codomain and we will check its pre-image. Okay, so f is a function from r star to r star, that is f is a function from r star to r star. Let y belongs to r star be arbitrarily chosen. Any random element is there in codomain. Okay, so therefore y is equal to fx is equal to 1 by x, which implies x is equal to 1 by y, and this x is in r star. So we see for every, therefore for every y in codomain there exists unique x in r star such that f of that x is y. Therefore, f is onto. So here we have seen f is 1 function and onto function. Once again you can see here, if you take any two images then pre-images will be same, hence function is 1 आप यहाँ पर कोई भी एलिमेंट डोमेन का लेंगे तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल यूनिक आएगा और वो रियल होगा, तो इसलिए ये 1 फंक्शन हो गया। और ऑन टू कोई भी आप राइट साइड को कोडोमेन का एलिमेंट आप लेंगे तो उसकी प्री इमेज रेसिप्रोकल होकर आएगी, वो भी रियल होगी। देयरफॉर every element of codomain is having its pre-image, it is onto. So this function is 1 and onto, so invertible function is this one. Okay, now he is asking the same result when this r naught, r star is replaced by natural number. Okay, so let us do the second part of this question. Second part, f is a function from natural number to r star, okay, where r star is set of real numbers excluding 0. Now here let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Now by definition of the function it is 1 over x1 is equal to 1 over x2, where x1 and x2 are in set of natural number. Now whenever you take reciprocal of natural number they will be in fractions, okay, except 1 by 1 is 1, so two different natural numbers reciprocals will be different, so which implies x1 equal to x2. So therefore f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 for all x1, x2 in n, because if you take two natural numbers, their reciprocals will be real and distinct. So if images are same, here you have shown if images are same, their pre-images are also same. Here function is defined as f of x is equal to 1 by x, okay. So definition of function is as earlier. Now we will check it for onto. So here let y is equal to 2 by 3 in r star, okay. Let this element is in codomain. Now its pre-image does not exist in n. Here we can also see this r star denotes a real number. So here we take fractions, then their pre-images will also be a fraction, and here that will not be in n. Hence this function is not onto, okay. So whenever we replace domain by set of natural number, this function will be 1 but not onto. This function is 1 but not onto. Now we have question number 2. Now question number 2, solution. In first part of this question number 2 of exercise 1.2, f is a function from set of natural number to set of natural number such that f of x is equal to x square. Now we have to check this function for injectivity and surjectivity, that is for 1 and onto. So let x1, x2 are two natural numbers let f of x1 equal to f of x2, which implies x1 square is equal to x2 square, which implies x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0, which implies x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Now x1 and x2 are two natural numbers, so which implies x1 minus x2 is equal to 0 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. Now x1 plus x2 cannot be equal to 0 because x1 and x2 are two natural numbers, so their sum cannot be 0. So we have only this possibility, which implies x1 is equal to x2. So here we have seen if images are same, then pre-images are also same. Therefore the function f is 1 function. Okay, f is 1 function. Further you can see, if you take any natural number, its square will be unique. So this function is 1. If you take 1, then 1 square is 1. Let us make the diagrammatic view of this. Now let f is a function from set of natural number to natural number. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to infinity. So by definition, image of 1 is 1 square, that is 1. Image of 2 is 2 square, that is 4. Image of 3 is 9. Image of 4 is 16. Image of 5 is 25 and image of 6 is 36. But codomain is set of natural number. So here we have 1 and 4, but 2 and 3, they don't have pre-images. Similarly, here we observe 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the natural numbers. On right hand side, in set of natural number, they don't have pre-image. So you can say 2 in right hand side, that is codomain. 2 is in codomain, but it does not have its pre-image. Therefore f is not onto. So therefore f is 1 but not onto. Let us do the second part. Now second part, f is a function from set of integer to set of integer such that f of x is equal to x square. Now here f of 1 is 1, f of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore f is not 1 to 1. Contradiction के लिए एक ही काफ़ी होता है. So you can show like this. You can check for your convenience. F of 2 is 2 square by definition, so it is 4, and f of minus 2 is minus 2 square, which is also 4. So you see 2 is having image 4, minus 2 is also having image 4. So this function is actually many to one. It is not one to one. Okay. So this function f is not one to one. Now we check this function for onto. So here you see x square is non-negative. If you take any integer, then positive or negative or 0, x square will always be positive. So if you take negative numbers on codomain on right hand side, their pre-images will not be there in domain. So if you take minus 2 in z, that is in codomain, then let minus 2 is in codomain, then there does not exist any element x in domain such that f of that x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, f is not onto. We see its diagrammatic view. Here we have z, here also codomain is z, f is a function from z to z. So this function is defined as f of x is equal to x square. So here in codomain, this function is sending the elements which are non-negative. But here in codomain, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, negative integers exist. Their pre-images does not exist. Okay, their pre-images does not exist under f. So therefore, f is not onto. This function is actually mapping all the elements of domain in non-negative elements. Range of this function is non-negative. So element on right hand side, that is negative integers, they don't have their pre-images. Therefore, this function is not onto. Let us see third part. Here in third part, f is a function from R to R such that f of x is equal to x square. So here we observe, if we take any two real number, then their images will not be unique. If we take 5, f of 5 will be 5 square, that is 25, and f of minus 5, that is minus 5 square, that is again 25. So therefore, 5 is having its image under f as 25, minus 5 is having its image under f as 25. So this function is many to one. So f is not 1 to 1. Okay, this function is not 1 to 1, it is many to 1. Now here range of this function is non-negative, 0 और 0 से बड़े. ओके, f of x is x square. तो जो इमेजेस आएंगी वो नॉन नेगेटिव आएंगी, लेकिन राइट साइड को कोडोमेन में नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी हैं. -5 इज इन R, that is codomain, but there does not exist any x in R domain of f such that f of x is equal to -5. Therefore, you can say f is not onto. So this function is not onto, that is not surjective, because इस फंक्शन की जो रेंज आएगी वो नॉन नेगेटिव आएगी और राइट साइड में कोडोमेन में नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी हैं, तो उनकी प्री इमेजेस नहीं है. Therefore this function is not onto. Let us see the fourth part. Fourth part, f is a function from set of natural number to set of natural number such that f of x is equal to x cube. So here diagrammatic view, you can observe this, okay, and f is a function. Now here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here also set of natural number, it is infinite. So here also you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. Now here you observe 1 cube is 1, so image of 1 is 1, okay, and 2 cube is 8, okay. So image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 8. Similarly, image of 3 will be 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So image of 3 will be 27. So therefore this function is 1 1. So f is 1 1 function, okay, it is 1 to 1 function. Now it is very much clear that 2 is not having its pre-image, okay, 3 is not having its pre-image, 4 is not having its pre-image, क्योंकि 2 is not cube of any natural number, 3 is not a cube of any natural number. So therefore this function f is not onto, okay, this function is not onto. Let us see the fifth part. Fifth part says f is a function from integer to set of integer such that f of x is equal to x cube. Now here by diagrammatic view, f is a function from integer to integer. So set of integers are positive, negative, 0. Here we have -1, then 1, 2, -2 and 2, 3 and -3, okay. Similarly we have integers here 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on, and positive side we have 1, 2, 3 and so on, okay, set of integer. Now image of 0 is 0 because 0 cube is 0. Image of -1 is -1. Image of 1 is 1. Image of -2 is -8. Image of 2 is 8. Image of 3 is 27 and image of -3 is -27. So you see every element is having its unique cube in codomain, okay. So therefore f is 1 1 function because cube of a integer is unique. Here -2, -3, they don't have pre-images because -2 is not a cube of any integer. -3 is not a cube of any integer in domain. Therefore f is not onto. So this function is not onto, though it is 1 1 but not onto. आप देखेंगे यहां पर -2 -3 इनकी प्री इमेजेस डोमेन में नहीं है, इंटीजर का क्यूब नहीं है। Therefore this function is not onto. Similarly 2 किसी इंटीजर का क्यूब नहीं है, 3 किसी इंटीजर का क्यूब नहीं है, तो देयरफॉर 2 और 3 की प्री इमेजेस एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती डोमेन में। हैंस एफ इज नॉट ऑन टू। कंट्राडिक्शन के लिए एक एलिमेंट ही सफिशिएंट होता है, तो यहां पर हमने को डोमेन में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट देखे जिनकी प्री इमेजेस एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती डोमेन में, तो इसलिए ये फंक्शन ऑन टू नहीं है। नाउ इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 of exercise 1.2. Here f is a function from R to R, that is set of real numbers to set of real numbers, such that f of x is equal to greatest integer function. Okay, we use these rectangular brackets and x is a real number, so meaning of this greatest integer function is you can write greatest integer not exceeding than x. Okay, now he is asking to check this for 1 1 function and onto function. Here if f will act over 1.1, then it will be 1.1 this rectangular bracket and meaning of this as 1, that is greatest integer not exceeding than 1.1, so it is 1 here. Similarly if you have 1.2 here, so f of 1.2 will be this, that is also 1. Similarly you can have f of 1.9, then again it will be 1.9 and greatest integer not exceeding than 1.9 is 1. So you see f is a function and real line, that is set of real numbers, is domain, and here codomain is also set of real numbers. Now here if you have 1.1, 1.2, 1.9, their images are not different. Okay, so this function is not 1 1. So therefore f is not 1 to 1 function. Actually it is many to one function because many elements are having one image. Now here we will check this function for onto. So you have on right hand side 1 and then you will have 2 and then 3, because range of this function will only be integers. So here if you have 1.1, then its pre-image does not exist. So you can write f is not onto as 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, etc. That is fractions. They don't have their pre-images in domain. Okay, so this function is not onto. कंट्राडिक्शन के लिए एक ही एलिमेंट काफ़ी होता है, तो राइट साइड में आप देखेंगे डेसिमल वाले जो भी नंबर हैं उनकी प्री इमेजेस नहीं है, क्योंकि रेंज जो इस फंक्शन की आएगी वो इंटीजर ही आएगी। डेफिनीशन ही इस तरह से है कि एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर नॉट एक्सीडिंग देन एक्स, तो जो भी रेंज आएगी इस फंक्शन की इंटीजर आएगी। तो कोडोमेन में जो बाकी फ्रैक्शंस हैं उनकी प्री इमेजेस नहीं है, इसलिए दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑन टू। So neither 1 1 nor on to. Okay. Next question. Now it is question number 4. F is a real function that is from R to R such that f of x is equal to x mod. So we will check this function for 1 1 and on to. So here if you have f of minus 1, that will be minus 1 mod, which is 1, and if you take f of 1, that will be 1 mod, that is also 1. So this function, therefore f is not 1 1. It is not 1 1 function. It is many to 1 because minus 1 is having image 1 under f and 1 is also having its image 1 under f. Also this function f is not onto, as f of x, that is x mod, it is always non-negative. So range of this function will be non-negative. So therefore if you take any negative number on right hand side, its pre-image will not exist in domain. So if minus 1 is in R codomain, then there does not exist any x in domain such that f of x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not having its pre-image. Therefore you can say f is not onto. यहां पर आप देखेंगे राइट साइड को कोडोमेन में नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी हैं, नेगेटिव रियल नंबर्स की प्री इमेज नहीं आएगी क्योंकि इस फंक्शन की जो रेंज है वो नॉन नेगेटिव है. सो रेंज इज ए सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन. सो देयर आर सर्टेन एलिमेंट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेंज. सो दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑनटू. ऑनटू फंक्शन में क्या होता है, रेंज हमेशा कोडोमेन के बराबर होती है, लेकिन यहां पर वो प्रॉपर सबसेट है. रेंज इज ए प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन. देयरफॉर दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑनटू. ये हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि रेंज जब कोडोमेन के बराबर हो तो वो फंक्शन ऑनटू होगा. रेंज जब प्रॉपर सबसेट होगा कोडोमेन का तो वो ऑनटू नहीं होगा. So this function is not onto and here not 1 1. Next question. Now question number 5. Here f is a function from set of real number to real number given by this f of x is equal to 1 if x is positive, and it is f of x is equal to 0 if x is 0, and f of x is minus 1 if x is less than 0. So this function is neither 1 1 nor onto. So you see when x is positive, that is x is greater than 0, value of the function is 1. So for all positive values, say f of 1, then it is 1, f of 2, then value of the function is 1, f of 3, the value of the function 1. So therefore f of n is equal to 1 for all n belongs to R. such that n is greater than 0. So for all positive values of x, we have f of x as 1. So this function is many to 1. Okay, so you can say f is not 1-to-1 function. Also, let y is equal to 1.1 is in R, that is codomain. Then we observe there does not exist any x in R domain such that f of x is equal to 1.1. So therefore f is not onto. यहां पर भी रेंज इस फंक्शन की जो होगी आप देखेंगे, रेंज ऑफ f is a set -1, 0 and 1 are the elements and it is a subset of codomain. ओके, तो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स जो हैं उनकी प्री इमेजेस नहीं हैं. यहां पर आप देखेंगे R इज ए प्रॉपर सबसेट. तो जब यहां पर आप देखेंगे रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन f इज ए प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ R. तो जब रेंज प्रॉपर सबसेट है कोडोमेन का, तो यहां पर ये ऑन टू नहीं होगा. जब भी रेंज प्रॉपर सबसेट होगी किसी फंक्शन की, तो वो ऑन टू फंक्शन नहीं होता. ऑन टू फंक्शन के लिए रेंज सेट कोडोमेन के बराबर होना चाहिए. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट. -1, 0 और 1 की तो प्री इमेजेस हैं, लेकिन इनके अलावा और एलिमेंट्स की प्री इमेजेस नहीं हैं, इसलिए ये फंक्शन ऑन टू नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 of exercise 1.2. So solution. Here f is a function from set A to B. तो हम यहां पर लिख लेते हैं set A 1, 2, 3. 2 is set B containing elements 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and this function is defined as this. So we apply this definition. Let us make them some diagram. It is set A containing element 1, 2, 3 and here we have a set B. F is a function from A to B. B is containing element 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now here it is mentioned image of 1 is 4. So image of 1 is 4. Image of 2 is 5. Image of 3 is 6. Okay. So this function is 1, 1 because every element is having its unique image. So therefore we can say f is 1-to-1 function. But here we can see f is not onto because रेंज सेट यहां पर ये इमेजेस का सेट है जिसके अंदर ये एलिमेंट 4, 5, 6 आ रहे हैं. तो इस रेंज सेट यहां पर आप देखेंगे रेंज इज ए प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ B, दैट इज कोडोमेन. तो जब भी रेंज फंक्शन की प्रॉपर सबसेट हो कोडोमेन का, तो वो ऑन टू नहीं होता. क्योंकि यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे एलिमेंट 7 है, सो 7 इज इन बी एंड देयर डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एनी एलिमेंट x in A such that there does not exist any element in A such that f of that x is 7. ओके, 7 की आप डायग्राम में देखेंगे प्री इमेज नहीं है, तो देयर फॉर दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑन टू, नॉट ऑन टू. ओके, नेक्स्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हियर in each of the following cases state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Bijective means 1 1 and onto both. So let us see first part. In first part, f is a function from R to R such that f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. तो यहां पर एफ एक्स को अगर आप y ले लें तो ये देखेंगे ये लीनियर फंक्शन है, y इज इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 4x. तो ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाएगी, हर एक x के लिए एक यूनिक वैल्यू y की आएगी, तो इसलिए आप देखेंगे ये फंक्शन 1 1 है, f इज 1 1. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लेट f of x1 is equal to f of x2 where x1 x2 are in domain. तो आपने इमेजेस इक्वल ले ली. अब ये फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन लगाएंगे, तो f of x is 3 minus 4x, तो f of x1 will be 3 minus 4x, 3 minus 4x1, and here f of x2 is 3 minus 4x2, which implies minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, we have 4x1 is equal to 4x2, which implies x1 is equal to x2. So we observe f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. Okay, and that is true for all x1 x2 are in domain. Okay, so this function is 1 1. Also let y element of codomain be arbitrarily chosen, any element of this. So therefore y will be 3 minus 4x, which implies 4x is equal to 3 minus y, which implies x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4, and this x is in R, in domain. This is domain. So therefore, for each y in codomain, there exists some x in domain. Therefore, f is onto, and it is f is 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is invertible function, and we can say it is bijective. So f is bijective. Okay, f is bijective function. Next, now second part of this question. F is a function from R to R such that f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. So here if you take f as f of 1, then it will be 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And if you take f of minus 1, then it will be 1 plus minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here 1 is having image as 2 and minus 1 is also having image as 2. So two elements are having same image. So f is not 1 function. Also, f is not onto, as range of f will be one to infinity, and it is proper subset of R, that is codomain. So range is a proper subset of codomain, therefore this function is not onto. Okay. So negative numbers or less than 1 on, if you take elements less than 1 on right hand side in codomain, their pre-images does not exist. So since this function is not 1 not onto, therefore f is not bijective. This function is not bijective. Bijective फंक्शन वह होता है जो 1 और ऑन टू दोनों हो. सो ये 1 भी नहीं है, ऑन टू भी नहीं है, इसलिए कहेंगे f इज नॉट bijective. Let us see next question. Now it is question number 8. Let us solve this. Solution. F is a function from A cross B to B cross A. So A cross B is Cartesian product, and this is defined as f of ordered pair AB is ordered pair BA. तो आपने देखा कि ordered pair यहाँ पर रिवर्स हो रहा है, x की जगह y आ रहा है, y की जगह x आ रहा है. तो हम चेक करेंगे इस फंक्शन को बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन के लिए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल चेक इट फॉर 1 सो वी विल से f इज 1 as if f of a1 b1 is equal to f of a2 b2, where a1 b1 and a2 b2 are in A cross B. Okay, so this imply B1 A1 ordered pair revert हो जाएगा by definition, so it will be B2 A2. Now two ordered pairs are said to be equal if and only if their corresponding elements are same, so which implies B1 is equal to B2 and A1 is equal to A2. So we can write this as A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि अगर इमेजेस बराबर हैं तो प्री इमेजेस भी बराबर हैं. Therefore f is 1-to-1 function. Now we will check this function for onto. So let some element be A in codomain B cross A. Be arbitrary, any element, okay? Random element is this one. So it is arbitrarily chosen. So for there exist AB in A cross B such that f of AB is equal to BA, ordered pair BA. So we see For every ordered pair BA, there exists some element ordered pair AB in domain such that f of that element is ordered pair BA. Therefore, f is onto. And since this function is 1, 1 and onto, therefore we can declare f is bijective function. In this way we can do this question. Next, question number 9. Now it is question number 9. F is a function from natural number to natural number such that f of n is n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd and n by 2 if n is even, and that is true for all natural number. So let us make its diagram, okay, and we will see this function for 1, 1 and onto, that is bijective function or not. Okay, so let us take natural numbers here and natural numbers here. F is a function, we apply on 1, so 1 is odd, so we apply this definition 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, so image of 1 is 1. Now we take 2 here, so 2 is even, we apply this definition 2 by 2 is 1. So we take 3, then 3 is odd, we apply this definition 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 is 2. So image of 3 is 2, and we take 4. So 4 is even, so 4 by 2 is 2. Okay. So we can have 5, 6, 7 and so on up to infinity, and we see two consecutive elements of domain are having one image. So therefore f is not 1 to 1. This function is not 1 to 1. It is many to one function. Now if we observe, 1 is having its pre-images, 2 is having its pre-images, similarly 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity, they all have their pre-images. Okay, pre-image are not unique, but every element of codomain is having their pre-image. Okay, so this function is onto, f is onto. Also, range set is set of natural number which is equal to codomain. Therefore, also this function is onto. So this function is not 1, 1 but onto. Therefore, it is not bijective. This function is not bijective. Bijective function के लिए function को 1, 1 और onto होना चाहिए. ये 1, 1 नहीं है, onto है, इसलिए ये function bijective नहीं है. Next question. Question number 10. F is a function from A to B, where A is a set of real number excluding 3 and B is a set of real number excluding 1. Defined as f of x is x minus 2 upon x minus 3. We have to check this function for 1, 1 and onto. Okay, तो देखिएगा solution. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2, which implies x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3, where x1, x2 are any two elements of domain A. ओके, और डोमेन में आप देखेंगे 3 एक्सक्लूड किया गया क्योंकि अगर x1, x2, 3 होंगे तो डिवीजन बाय 0 इज नॉट परमिटेड. नाउ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस, इट इज x1 minus 2 multiplied by x2 minus 3, that is equal to x1 minus 3 multiplied by x2 minus 2. Now it is x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 minus minus plus 2 3s are 6. On right hand side, opening these bracket, you have x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 and minus minus plus 3 2s are 6. तो आप देखेंगे ये 6 से 6 कैंसिल हो गया, x1 x2 से x1 2 x2 कैंसिल हो गया, and you can write here multiplying both sides by minus 1, you have 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Now you write 3x1 minus 2x1 here, and you have 3x2 minus 2x2 here, which implies 3x1 minus 2x1, that is x1, and similarly 3x2 minus 2x2 is x2. So you observe, whenever we have taken images are same, then pre-images are also same. Okay, so therefore f is 1-to-1 function. F is 1-to-1 function. Okay, now we will check this for onto, whether this function is onto or not. Okay, let y belongs to b be arbitrarily chosen, then y is equal to fx is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3, which implies yx minus 3y is equal to x minus 2, which implies yx minus x is equal to 3y minus 2, which implies you can take x common, so it is y minus 1, that is equal to 3y minus 2. You can put it in the bracket. So here x is equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. We can divide it by y minus 1 because y minus 1 is non-zero. Here 1 is excluded. Okay, so y is not equal to 1. So this x is in A. Okay, तो आपने देखा कि any arbitrary element in codomain is having its pre-image. Okay, so there exists x in A such that there exists x in A such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is onto function. ओके, तो इस तरह से आप इसको देख सकते हैं कि दिस फंक्शन इज onto. एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ कोडोमेन इज हैविंग इट्स प्री इमेज. यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू आ गई है, y1 नहीं है, एक्सक्लूडेड है, तो हम y एलिमेंट लिया था हमने कोडोमेन का आर्बिट्ररी, और उसके कोरेस्पॉन्डिंग एक x a के अंदर आ गया. तो एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ कोडोमेन इज हैविंग इट्स प्री इमेज, देयरफॉर दिस फंक्शन इज onto. So since it is 1 1 and onto, therefore you can say f is bijective function. F is bijective function. 1 1 onto, that is invertible. Next, now question number 11, solution. Here f is a function from R to R, that is real number to real number, defined as f of x is equal to x raised to power 4. So we have to check this function for correct answer. So you see f is a function from R to R such that f of x is equal to x raised to power 4. Okay. So here let f of 1 that is equal to 1 raised to power 4, which is 1, and f of minus 1 that is minus 1 raised to power 4, that is again 1. So therefore 1 is having image as 1, minus 1 is also having same image 1. So this function f is not 1 1. Okay. Also f of x is equal to x raised to power 4 is non-negative for all real values of x. Therefore range of this function will be 0 to infinity. Okay. And it is proper subset. ये निशान proper subset का, it is proper subset of R, that is codomain. Therefore f is not onto. Therefore f is not onto. क्योंकि रेंज यहां पर आपने देखा प्रॉपर सबसेट है, तो कुछ एलिमेंट कोडोमेन में इस प्रॉपर सेट के अलावा भी होंगे जिनकी प्री इमेजेस इसमें फंक्शन के थ्रू डोमेन में नहीं है. देयरफॉर दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट 1 1, नॉट ऑन टू. सो इट इज डी पार्ट इज करेक्ट, नाइदर 1 1 and nor on to. Next question number 12. Here also you see f is a function from R to R defined as f of x is equal to 3x. So if we take y as function of x and it is 3x, so it is a straight line. Y is equal to 3x is a straight line. For every x there exists a unique y. Okay. So this function is 1 1, f is 1 to 1. Also f is onto, as every element of codomain has its pre-image. आप इसका ग्राफ बनाकर देखेंगे तो आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा. ये x है, यहाँ पर ये y एक्सिस, ये ओरिजिन, और y इज इक्वल टू 3x. कुछ लाइन इस तरह से आ जाएगी. इट इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, y इज इक्वल टू 3x. तो यहाँ पर x डैश और यहाँ पर ये y डैश. तो दिस लाइन इज y इज इक्वल टू 3x. तो आप देखेंगे x की वैल्यू 1 है तो यहाँ पर 3 है, y की वैल्यू एंड सो ऑन. तो x की सारी पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज के लिए y की वैल्यूज आ रही हैं यूनिक. सिमिलरली x की नेगेटिव वैल्यू के लिए आ रही हैं. तो एक एलिमेंट की एक इमेज आ रही है, इसलिए f11 हो गया. और y की हर एक वैल्यू के लिए, मतलब लाइन के ऊपर कहीं भी आप कोई पॉइंट लेंगे तो उसकी एबेसिसा आप देखेंगे यूनिक आ रही है. तो इसलिए ये फंक्शन ऑन टू भी हो गया. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टुडे.